Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful overall designing using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this designing. I'd be applying the glue to stick this drop shape kundan, followed with also applying the glue all around this kundan to stick the stone lace first, next to that chain bore lace. So this is how we have to follow one after another so that you will get the neat and fine finishing. This is an overall designing. Following these instructions, you can try this for your old blouses to turn into new. This type of designs will really gives rich, and it looks like complicated because we don't know how to do it. But if you know, once you watch this video, you can't believe that this full overall designing we can do just like that. Now I'll be using the piping cord and also applying the glue to stick this in the drop shape. All this has to be measured first, cut accordingly, and then apply the glue to stick. Now I'll be using pink color anchor thread, which is of 6 strands. Instead of anchor thread, you can also try any embroidering threads, silk threads for this designing. And on this cording or the piping cord, I'd be giving an overlapping stitches. This is called padded load stitch. Ensure that the white cording which you have inserted in between, that shouldn't be visible. Like that we have to give the stitch here. I'm done with the padded load stitch. Next to this, I'd apply the glue again to stick firstly the chain bore lace, next to that stone lace. Now I'll be using silver color kundans of drop shape, which is of small size, to stick all around, maintaining the equal gap. Only minimum gap we have to maintain. Here underneath I'd be sticking circle silver kundan of small size, followed with 3 drop shape kundans, and next the continuation will be done to this side, applying the glue lines to stick the drop shape kundans. I'll be sticking these kundans in the same way. I'll stitch to another side also, and once this is completely dried, this is how it looks. Now I'll be using antique gold Zardozi of small size. This is to highlight these drop shape kundans. So just inserting in the cotton silk thread with 9 number hemming needle. Here I'm using to insert the Zardozi string in the needle, and this is how we have to give couple of stitches on it so that it will be in place and you will get the nice finishings. All the kundans has to be elaborated or highlighted with these Zardozi strings. Now I'm done with the Zardozi work. Finally, the design has to be packed in an oval shape. So I'd be applying the glue all around this shape. You can see here it's of oval shape, the glue which I applied. Now I'll be sticking chain bore lace. This is the main thing we must know. Following this, we can create on overall designing of the blouse one after another and going towards the upside in the centers. Once created, this is how it looks. The blouse once designed would look like this. This is been exclusively designed for the bridal wear collection because it's really looking heavy and very expensive work, you might think so, but doing it at home is very simple and easy, isn't it? I hope sharing of an idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends.